A complaint under the Meghalaya Lokayukta Act 2014 was made by social activist and leader of the social organization Thma U Rangli, Rangad, against the alleged shady project of the Rs 48 crore interstate bus terminal at Mawlai Mawiong, Shillong, constructed by the Public Works Department, Government of Meghalaya. In her appeal to the chairman of the Meghalaya Lokayukta, Rangad cited certain reasons that may have led to the recent infrastructural irregularities found in the building, which has been functional for only a week since its completion of construction of the barely one-year-old structure.
Meghalaya Lokayukta to submit 2 complaints. I think everybody, the public, must have read in the newspapers about the shoddy construction of the Isbt. It was a project that was inaugurated in July 2021 and just 6 weeks ago became operational. And the past few days, with just a little bit of rain, we are not even in the middle of monsoons, this construction has been leaking. There have been major cracks. It's something that we, the public, cannot accept, because it is your money and my money, people's money, that has gone into the making of this Isbt, something that we require, we need, and if this shoddy construction is allowed to just go like that without holding accountable those people involved in this construction, from the PWD office and those officers that were supposed to supervise this, to the transport department,